In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit products and services in Xero. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to update item details so your invoices and quotes are accurate every time. Start by logging into your Xero account as you normally would. Make sure you're in the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one, so the changes you make apply to the right place. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the top menu and click Sales. This is where Xero keeps everything related to selling, including your item list. From there, choose Products and Services. You'll see a table of all the items you sell or bill for, with columns like item code, description, price, and status. Find the product or service you want to edit. If you have a long list, use the search bar to type part of the name or code. You can also scan the list by sorting columns to bring similar items together. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct item, especially when names are similar, to avoid updating the wrong one. Next, look to the right of that item and click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the Options menu. From the drop-down, select Edit. This opens the item details screen where you can safely make your changes. Update the product or service details as needed. Common edits include refining the name and description so they read clearly on invoices, updating the default sales price, choosing the correct revenue account, and setting the right tax rate. If you use item codes or SKUs, make sure they match any external systems you rely on. For services, a clear description saves time later. For products, accurate pricing and tax defaults prevent mistakes on customer documents. If an item is tracked for inventory in your setup, you may notice some fields are fixed to maintain stock integrity. When you're done, review the updated information carefully. Check spelling, confirm prices, and make sure the account and tax settings match your accounting policies. A quick pause here helps prevent rework later. If something doesn't look right, you can adjust it before saving. Finally, click Save. Xero will store your changes immediately. From this point on, any new quotes or invoices that use this item will reflect the updated details. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page to update the view. And if you need to adjust another item, repeat the same process. Find it, open the three-dot menu, choose Edit, make your changes, review, and save. That's it. Your products and services are now up to date in Xero.